everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Maybelline Sunkisser Multi-Use Liquid Blush. This price is $11.99. Color: Electric Bronze. Glowy, sun-kissed cheeks. No vacay needed. Color: Blazing Blush. Light pink with silver-toned pearls. Maybelline's Sunkisser Multi-Use Liquid Blush has a melt. Color: City Sizzle. Rose tone with luminous pearl. Melt to skin formula for a natural glow. This liquid blush wears up to 12 hours and is infused with vitamin E. Color: Downtown Rush. Luminous peach with pink undertones. Instant glowy, sun-kissed cheeks. No vacay needed. Rooftop Views. Sunset orange with golden pearls. Ultra buildable and blendable formula with up to 12 hours wear. Sol Search. Nude pink with golden pearls. Multi-use shade for all skin tones. Foolproof, easy application in just a dot blend. Sun-Tempt Coral Tone Bronze with golden shimmer. Infused with vitamin E for a melt-to-skin formula. Uptown Glow Glowing Pink. Using Plush Dot Applicator, apply product to face. Build and blend as desired. Blend a single shade to get it glowy. If you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.